Everybody, and welcome along to Not the Boots to Billing podcast today. You might recognise myself and Chris, but we've got a wee side guest on with us today. We are doing an AGPayroll podcast from the famous Fox at the ExCel in London. We're here at the Rec Expo today. I guess, guys, for both of you, this is a big event because everything's going on in your industry. Chris, Fahey, I know you're both Chris. Chris, how have you found today, mate?
Aye, brilliant. I've been called Fahey, Fahey, Fee, whatever name it is. I think because it's St Paddy's Day, they're trying to make it simple. But aye, it's been a great day. This is probably the best day of the year for us. We come here, catch up with ex-colleagues, deal with suppliers, and tonight we'll get a Recruitment Curry Club, a bit of karaoke as well. So look, what could you ask?
So, Dwyer, this is the first time you've been on with myself and Chris.
It is, I'm popping the podcast cherry here.
The last thing I want to think about.
I know. So, obviously, mate, you guys are well known for your experience in the industry. SafeRec FCSA, we're both here today. How's that? I know you're just recently FCSA accredited, but how is that relationship just enhanced what's going on in the industry at the moment?
Well, absolutely. I mean, obviously, as you said, we're dinosaurs in this industry. You know, we're both like over 20 years, and we've been out there. And I've been at AG since July, so been out there, got an old black book out, but you needed the badges. And, you know, we worked hard. We've got the badges, and it's getting us around the table. And obviously, as you say, it's a very important area here for the industry. So it's getting us around the table, and they want to deal with the good guys, and we're the good guys now. So.
I think for me, I've done a lot of consultancy work for you guys at AGPayroll, and speaking to people, there's a lot of not trust out there because of the mini umbrella stuff and everything that's going on. So, Chris, for you, when you first spoke to me about this, you're really passionate about making sure that people are doing the right thing. What has this new JSL legislation brought out for your industry? What does it mean for businesses now?
I think the problem that we always had going up against competition, and especially when Dwyer talked about the good guys and the bad guys, it wasn't a level playing field because you were getting companies out there that could do it for next to nothing because they were doing things that they should do. Hopefully this legislation makes it a level playing field for us all. But from an agency point of view, they really need to get their head around this, because if they don't, then sort of beat about the bush. There's jail sentences. They can end up in jail for 2 years if they end up either continuing to deal with a mini umbrella or they want to deal with a mini umbrella. So it is important that you start dealing with the good compliant companies like yourself, because the non-compliant companies that are going to end their business and they're going to end up in jail.
I remember you telling me it was a big part of you joining, Chris. I know you've known each other a long time. You're obviously friends, right? But it was a big thing for you coming here, wasn't it? Making sure that you were accredited, everything was done right, etc.
Absolutely. I knew what was in the landscape, on the horizon, shall we say. And it was important that I was coming along, but I needed the support from this fella to go out and get these accreditations, because just to get us around the table.
Yeah.
So again,
sorry to jump in there. We've worked for the big players in the market, your Parasol, your Paystream over the years, so the good compliant companies. So we know that what good looks like, and we know what compliant looks like, and that's what I wanted to build at AGPayroll. Was I wanted to get SafeRec. It's the first thing that I did. And then next thing was getting FCSA. So now we're one of the only payroll companies in the UK, even though we're nowhere near the biggest. We're one of the only ones that's got both accreditations.
So I've got two questions for you, then. The first one is a bit of advice for people in the industry. Well, you've been 20 years in it. What advice would you give people that are in your sector right now when it comes to the new legislations coming in April?
Well, basically, you need to look at your supply chain. Now, it's on us. Liability sits with us. In 3 weeks' time or less, it's on your table as well. So you really need to sort of do your due diligence, look at your supply chain, because come the 6th of April, if you're not doing it right, you're on the hook. And that's
big mate.
You were going to say my good friend. That sort of stopped your throat there.
I couldn't say it. As my mate. You could end up in jail if you don't look at it now.
What were you? What were you thinking?
I think there's a silver bullet to this legislation. The silver bullet is the SafeRec insurance policy. So basically, SafeRec insure not just any SafeRec accredited payroll company, but any agency that payroll company works with. So what that means is if the payroll company goes bust, the way the legislation sits is the liability or the tax liability will sit with the agency. But as long as you work with a SafeRec accredited payroll company, you'll be fully insured.
So for me, just before I ask you the most important question, been involved with you in your business now for a while. My advice to everybody would be ask questions. Don't think you're okay. You need to know you're okay. So the biggest thing for me is make sure guys like the two Chris's and Deck, ask them questions, speak to them, know what you need to know. But most important question, karaoke song, right? Dwyer, what you on?
Well, it says I'm Welsh, so it's going to be My Delilah.
My Delilah. Fine. Chris, what you on?
I'm down here and I'm flying the flag for Scotland, so it's going to have to be Reclaimers 500 miles.
Guys, everybody keep following the guys at AGPayroll. You have any questions at all about anything that comes along with the GSL legislation, your umbrella payments, etc. These guys, I've trusted them for years. I don't just do business for the sake of it because of my mates. But 100% they're the people I've always recommended for when it comes to payroll. Make sure you're compliant and make sure you're safe in these times. So thanks for your time. Anything else for you guys?
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Sláinte.
Happy Paddy's Day.